Alright, hello, it's Dustin again. This is the second video. I'm doing these back-to-back videos. We're going to do the club. We're going to be doing the bowline knot and maybe the handcuff knot in this video. Now, I'm going to face the other way, so it's like this is how you'd be looking at the rope to be doing. So I'm going to turn around here. Alright, you'll find your end. Just your little circle made just like that. Take it, come through the hole, around the tree here, and then between here and here. So they come on the will be your right side of where you come through the hole the first time. You're going to take that rope and your loop down here, hold it together. You're going to take your running end, pull them, snatch them tight. And that's pretty much simple bowline knot, bowline knot, however you want to call it. I might pronounce it different wherever you're at. This is just said it when I was in ropes. Alright, I'll take it, and then I'm putting my safety knot in it. And safety knot. This is what it looks like with a safety knot. Now my safety knot ain't tight, but the cord of the end has slid down. So that kind of good. But that's what it should look like right there. Alright. Next knot I'm going to show you is the handcuff knot. Handcuff knot, I'll do the clove hitch in the next one. But it's just almost like the clove hitch. You get your two bites here. Just like this. Turn one way. Turn the other. Just like that. Alright, then you're going to take this end, and this one needs to go to the center here, this one needs to go to the center here, if you get what I'm saying. So bring that one around, pull them through, just like that, pull it tight, just like that. Then you put it on your hand, and you pull that, tightens them up. So that is your handcuff knot. We'll do it one more time for you. Boom. Boom. You're going to take it, pull that one through here, and then this one through here, just like that. That's your handcuff knot. Thanks for watching.